Hey y'all, it's Fantasia. Welcome to my channel, Sewing with Tay. And today's announcement, I am officially a YouTube partner. I have made it to the first level of monetization features, a part of the YouTube partnership. So let's talk about it a little bit. So I do have some notes here because I'm still understanding what it all means and how it all works together. But I have officially made it to the first level of the YouTube partnership, which is basically my ability to use monetization features on YouTube. The first level includes super chat and stickers, membership, and shopping. I actually got my monetization on March 1st, and today is March 23rd, and I have made $0, but I have not been trying very hard. I didn't know what any of this means. I had some other things happening, so I haven't had much time to focus on attempting to use these new features. So, out of the three, super chat and stickers, membership and shopping, I have only activated the super chat and stickers, which is a way for you to get like shout out comments. Like they show up in different colors, they get pinned to the top of like live videos and comments. You can get like expedited replies from me. That's the only feature that I have activated so far, because the second option is membership, or that's probably the first option, but membership. And while getting a membership for a community and, having you guys be able to come to me in a more personalized manner sounds great, but it also sounds like a lot of work. And I'm trying to decide, how does that work? What do I need to do? I saw one of the features was you could get early access to videos. I am struggling enough as it is to get videos out on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. I don't know if you guys would benefit from that yet. I'm trying to focus more energy on my YouTube channel. So that's the goal. I just don't know if I'm ready to activate that as of yet. And I think the options are like $1.99, $2.99, and it goes all the way up to like $25 or something. But I do want to take advantage of going live more often. I'm afraid I'm going to be sitting in a live talking to myself like, hey guys, today we're sewing, and it's just me. So working on that and my insecurities around that. But the third option is shopping. And the shopping is connected to e-commerce platforms like Shopify and two others I've never heard of. I no longer have a Shopify. I transferred from a Shopify many years ago. I have no intention of going back to Shopify. So if you want to buy something, my website is actually based on Squarespace. It's diemporium.com. Feel free to go there if you would like to purchase anything from me. The link to my website is usually in the description of my videos. I'll put it in this one if you ever want to check it out. I don't have a ton of things for sale on there because I've been focusing on class development, but I do have Easter baskets and some kimonos, and I'm hoping to do those things more often. So the membership and the shopping is not where I'm going right now. To the best of my understanding, for any super chats or stickers that you buy, we as content creators get 70%. I think that's before taxes and fees. So that, think about, I guess. But whatever anyone decides to give, we would be grateful for, because it's not something you had before. So outside of that, I think the program seems really cool. I was really interested. I wonder if this does anything for you, like push wise, video wise, like if you're gonna get more views. This actually is probably my first video that I've posted since, maybe I did the hand knitting video. I'm not sure if that was before March 1st. March has been a busy month, and I can't believe it's the end of it. But I'm going to attempt to plan some things, some lives going into April. I'm doing a youth sewing series, so that's going to take us on my weekends in April. So I'm hoping that maybe I'll get some good content there, and I can post some youth sewing tutorials on my YouTube channel. So that is coming. So I would just say stay tuned. I am 600 watch hours from the next level of monetization, which includes like ads and like revenue sharing of some sort. So I'm looking forward to that. So if you guys have anything about YouTube partnership, I don't know if I'm the person to ask because I'm learning right now just like everybody else, but you can share any feedback you have with me in the comments, and I will try to get back with you. But until next time, bye.